Hey buddy, Luxinda Swirl here. It has come to my attention that since it's now mid-August and everybody immediately starts thinking of pumpkins and Halloween as soon as August rolls around, because I guess they're all ready for summer to be over. I'm not personally, but we'll go with the flow here. And we are going to decorate this pumpkin that I got from Dollar Tree. It's just a wood cutout. I will cut the tag off of it. I have it sitting on 3 little cups that are hopefully not going to interfere with the pattern of what the paint does when it pours through. We're just going to pour all over it and see what we get on our canvas. This is a 14 by 14 inch canvas, which means we need 12.25 ounces of paint. And I'm going to use 2 bowls. These hold 10 ounces each, so I'll do more than half in each one and we should be fine. In the spirit of Halloween, we are going with Artist Loft Ready Flow, or Ready Mix pouring paint. That's not the Halloween part. The Halloween part are the colors. Orange, black, and then violet or purple, and green. I'm also going to add in white, metallic white for some contrast, and old gold because I like it. And we'll pour over our pumpkin and see what happens. Let me cut that tag off and we'll get to work. I'm not going to bother painting this first to seal it. I think just pouring paint over it will work fine. So here we go. First cup, no particular order. We'll do 1 pour and then we'll do a second pour. Because hey, why not? All right, get my paints out of the way. Okay, so what is an infinity pour? It is basically taking 2 cups of paint, which we happen to have here, and doing kind of figure 80 things, figure 8-ish things with each other as the paint comes out. So let's just see what we get. We ready? It's turned on. I'm not sure the side camera is going to get much here. Okay, here we go. About right. All right. Pick my pumpkin up, so to speak. Move him out of the way. There we go. And we'll pick these up. Oh, that created some interesting patterns. Look at that. However, I'm not sure we have enough paint. So let's layer a bit more and we'll do a pour around the edge. Because why not? It's Halloween! There's already too much black in there. I'm not going to do any more black. Plenty of black already. There goes my white. Okay. Traveling. Most of this will fall off the edge anyway. I'm just adding enough paint so we don't lose all of our patterns from in here. There we go. That's kind of cool too. Alrighty, and now we tilt. Very, very cool. I like that. Oh, that is neat. We got a combination sort of the original pour is still all through here, but then we have some of the secondary pour still left on the corners. Oh, I like that a lot. Ooh. I'm gonna fix this corner over here. All right, let's go in for our close-ups. Yeah. Okay, close up on our painting first. Here is the lower right corner. Across the bottom. Lower left corner. Up the left side. Look at all those neat patterns. Oh, that's from pouring through the pumpkin, the jack-o'-lantern. Upper left, across the top, upper right, and down the right side. To the lower right again. And then here is the full frame, I hope. Okay, let's go look at our jack-o'-lantern. Seriously cool. I really love how this turned out. It's a little dark, but you know what? Halloween can be a little dark. Let's face it. It's not all unicorns and jack-o'-lanterns. There's the full on of our jack-o'-lantern. What do you think, folks? What are you doing for Halloween? Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for stopping by. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.